I know when I bumbo clad come here, so I want to do that long time. Blood clad to me there.
Welcome back all of my viewers and all of my subscribers. You know the style. So what you know at the trendy dancehall, you know, and we're gonna talk about everything with the description and the bio you say, you see me? But naturally if you know me I gotta ask you for subscribe, is it? Yeah man peeps, so we can start this a subscribe, you know? So you don't miss out on nothing. Yeah man, so make a jump in it there. Alright, so viewers and subscribers. Dancehall artist, popular dancehall artist known as Teejay, Uptop boss friend, Uptop Grimmy has passed away, you see me? Not only him and our viewers and subscribers, you see me, just that he was more like for a right hand for him, you see me? He was the same nigga him to sing about in the song when him say, yo Grimmy, go get a grand bag and thing, you see me? So, but anyways, there were 3 people involved, you see me? 3 of them nigga they right there, so the tall one named Afro. Then you know Grimmy I'm showing you. The next one, him look like him would go hospital injured and passed away from this, you see me? But a 4-man me years ago for the man, them big man thing, you see me? So it just kinda, you know, puzzling for say, yo, just imagine this. I want to know watch and listen and hear what me I say, you know. You see me? Imagine if this nigga is Grammy up top TJ, right, and him surrounding basically some of the nigga that were playing with him. So just check the level how close that was to up top boss himself. So I feel like a dog paranoid and thing, you get me? But you know what the question? You know what the big question? What was the up top boss involved in it? You see it? Where him affiliate himself around? You see, because it look like people feel for understand this at Jamaica. You get me? Cannot be famous and be a gunman. Remember that the trendy dancers say that, you see me, you can't want bad. You see me, and I do music and badness now mix. Yeah man. As you can say, them hit there was very close, yo, cause like them people that were actually part, you see me. So my hear speeches are go around say, yo, the fat boy next, you see me. Yeah. So I don't know how true that be, but my hear. And from that happenings happen, I see the dog deactivate him account officially. User not found, you see me. So them little thing they have a place away make it look extra serious, you see me. And differently from that him have fan account, but I don't know where him really a pre, cause people already know him. Look, but Jaja, you see me TJ, you lose a real nigga, but now I tell no lie, you see me. Me hear say him can't go get no more grand bag. But you know the style, you see me, sleep in peace, brother. You better off where they probably. From rap artist to dancehall artist, it no matter who you want be. From you mix the badness with certain things, you see me, you got jail. After the people them no business, my friend, you got jail. You see me? Look on cartel for your example, you see me? No jokes. And but now tell no man say for do for do music and let yourself lose, you get me? Yeah. We know say when you have certain amount of money, your lifestyle change. You get me? But you have to know who you're affiliate yourself around, you see me? End of the day. And what you know? What you know? I want to tell you, say, you have this thing with them say, yo, you can't roll loose, you see me? And that no mean say you have to roll with be a bad man, even though you have to tough up your thing, you see me? Make sure you're gathering up, like what you sing about in your song, unless, at least, me and med say, at least, that take you out of the first incident, cause at least at that make you avoid the first incident, me I go say still, you see me? Yeah, man, you would preserve your life, you would. And you say if you dead, you go out as a legend. Yeah, man, same way, so man. Yes, I. So, watch out, people. Up next, we're going to talk about Bounty Killer, the Grand Godzilla, and the whole protesting where them have take place. In a Jamaica itself, as it is a good look. Even conscience touch road. You see me? Who else must see real Vanessa Bling? Couple other people, you see me, march out on them and go get themselves involved, you see me? As top role model said, you see me?
I know when I bumbo cloud come here, so I want to do that long time. Blood clot to me there.